Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're making clam chowder. I got a whole bunch of clams, as you can see. These were harvested out of the ocean day before yesterday. They're all scrubbed clean. I've already scrubbed and shucked some that I'll be throwing in. They're the really big ones. I'm going to put them in the food processor, but I'll show you that. Let me show you what's going on. So for the clam chowder, we have bacon bits. And this is all my big pieces and odd pieces of bacon when I make bacon. They're the ends, they're the pieces that you just necessarily can't slice. I save them and I chop them up. I got onion, celery, and then fresh carrots from the farmer's market. They're going to go all in the pot. I'm going to cook these all down and I'll bring you back for the next phase. Now I'm going to add in some tomatoes and the juice. Because we are making Manhattan Clam Chowder after all, so we need the tomatoes. We don't tend to cook with a lot of cream-based stuff here in the house. My wife is lactose intolerant. There are substitutes, but they tend not to do it justice. We rendered out the bacon. I removed the bacon bits, which are here, and they're going to go in right now. And now I'm going to toss in my clams just till they open. Once they open, I'm going to remove all the shells, but I'll leave the clams. These bigger ones, I'm going to take the clams out and I'm probably going to chop them a little bit. These will take about 10-15 minutes. Alright guys, you can see my clams are coming along. They're starting to open up. As they open, as you see them pop like this, I will pull them out and put them over here. And I'll keep them off to the side so they don't get real rubbery. This should take a few more minutes. Once they start popping, they all seem to pop at the same time. I finished off the chowder. I added a couple of potatoes in there, 2 ears of corn, adjusted to salt and pepper, and there we have it. Doesn't this look absolutely scrumptious? So hopefully you'll make this and give it a try and like and subscribe and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you.